Hi guys, welcome back to another Arduino tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use and how to connect a push button to Arduino Uno. A push button comes with 4 legs. If you press the button, you're connecting 2 legs together. If you release it, you're disconnecting. For this project I'm gonna use one LED light. When I press the button, I change the state of the LED light to on, and when I release the button, the states turn back to off. Okay, let's get started. We connect the LED light on a breadboard. Okay, I'm using the 220 ohm resistor. If you don't know how to connect the LED light to Arduino, please go watch my previous video. You can learn how to connect the LED light. Okay, let's connect the wires to LED. I'm using the black wire to connect to ground, and then I'm using another red wire to connect to pin number 8 for and for the push button I'm using the 1K ohm. You can use between 1K and 10K resistor. I'm connect the one leg of the push button to this resistor, like that, and then I connect the other leg to ground. I'm using a common ground for both LED and push button. And also, before the resistor starts, I connect the legs, and between the one leg of the push button and resistor, I'm connecting to the pin number 7. And I'm at the end of the resistor. You can connect it to the 5 volts, which are here. Now the only things we have to do is connect the breadboard to ground and 5 volt. Here the 5 volts with the red wire go to the 5 volt, and the common ground go to the ground. Okay. Also, you can see the diagram. If you cannot see the wire very well, you can see that this diagram, I connect the LED light, and then I'm connecting this is pull-up resistor. Before the resistor start, I connected to pin 7, and at the end of the resistor I connected to 5 volt, and the other one is the ground. Okay, the program I'm using for this is a simple program. You can find it in a push button example under the Arduino. I'm using the LED pin number 8, and for the push button I'm using the pin number 7, digital pin number 7, and this is initializing the LED as an output and push button as an input. Okay, I'm reading the digital read from the push button. If it's high, I turn on the LED, and if it's low, I turn off the LED. Okay, let's connect the USB cable to Arduino and upload this program to it. Okay, that's it. Okay, if I press the button, the LED should be turned on. If I release it, it's turned off. Also, you can develop your own program. You can put a timer. If you push the button for 5 seconds, you can turn on the LED, else LED is always off. And yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. In next tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use the switch. And until next time, bye bye.